Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to update AMD graphics drivers. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser such as Google Chrome or Opera GX and search for Download Driver Booster. This is a popular tool that helps you keep your drivers up to date. Once you see the search results, open the first website and look for the free download button. Click on that button to start downloading the software. After the download is complete, run the setup and follow the on-screen instructions to install it onto your PC. This process should only take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is finished, open the Driver Booster software. You will see a list of all the hardware components of your PC, including your graphics card. To update your AMD graphics drivers, simply click on the Update button located beside the display adapter. The software will automatically search for the latest drivers and start updating them to the most recent version available. If you want to update multiple drivers at the same time, you can easily do that as well. Just select the drivers you wish to update and click on the Update button. To ensure your gaming experience is smooth, you can also update your game drivers. For this, click on the Update button located at the top right corner of the software interface. This will initiate the download of the latest game drivers, ensuring your games run optimally. So that's basically how you can update AMD graphics drivers. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.